Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to fix laggy and stuttering game recording in OBS Studio. Hardware overload and misconfigured encoding pipelines cause severe dropped frames during capture, but optimizing your system priority and hardware chips instantly stabilizes your video output. First, close OBS Studio completely if it is currently open on your desktop. Right-click the OBS Studio application shortcut icon on your desktop or Start menu and click on Run as Administrator. Running the software with admin clearance forces Windows to prioritize OBS over your background game engine, immediately stopping GPU-bound frame dropping. Move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the interface layout and click on Settings. Look at the left side category menu and click on Output. Locate the Output Mode drop-down menu row sitting at the very top of the panel and switch it from Simple to Advanced. Click on the Recording tab layout right below that menu row. Find the Video Encoder drop-down menu selection block. Click the drop-down and change it from X264 to a hardware-accelerated option like NVIDIA NVENC, AMD HW, or Intel QuickSync depending on your graphics card. Offloading the processing load to a dedicated hardware chip completely eliminates CPU bottlenecks during intensive gameplay. Now, look down at the rate control option, set it to CQP, and adjust the CQ level slider parameter value to 20 for a clean balance of quality and processing speed. Next, look back at the left side category list menu and click directly on Video. Click on the Common FPS Values drop-down menu row and drop the setting value rule from 60 down to 30 if your machine is heavily struggling to keep up with high frame rate rendering. Click the Apply button and click OK at the bottom right corner of the dashboard panel to lock in your updated recording rules. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.